Let's head to the ring now, where local amateur boxing is set to get more exposure as the leading tertiary institution on Tuesday launched its inaugural fight card. More in this report.
The J.C. Foster College is set to host an exciting 9-fight card titled Boxing Fiesta on May 7 on the institution's campus. The initiative, which is being spearheaded by final-year Bachelor of Science students, will feature fighters ranging from high schools to the professional ranks. Wayne Roberts is chairman of the organizing committee for the event.
So this project is a 4th-year project that highlighting boxing within the institution. The whole idea is where the group come together and put this whole idea together. The importance of this is because boxing is really synonymous with J.C. Foster, and we want to highlight the possibilities to the young persons that boxing is just not just boxing, but there's a business and there's a marketing aspect to boxing, and so this is what we are trying to showcase.
President of the Jamaica Boxing Association, Stephen Bomber-Jones, is anticipating a successful event as he looks to spread the sport.
I think this Boxing Fiesta is going to go down very well in that and be a springboard for many more things to come. So we are very excited because J.C. Foster and the Boxing Board has had a relationship for the past couple of years regarding the Gloves Over Guns and them being a hub for Spanish Town youth. But for them to have the athletes taking part and the athletes getting boxing on a high frequency bodes well, because we want boxing to be a part of the curriculum in J.C. Foster.
The Jamaica Olympic Association has fully endorsed the project. President Christopher Samuda pledged continued support while hinting at major plans in the pipelines.
So we will continue to support boxing as we have done for the past several years. And I'm in discussion with the President and Secretary General in order to ensure that we are able to, by the end of this year, to identify a venue and therefore start renovating so that it will become, as I say, the hub for the sport.
Young boxer and student at Ferncourt High School, Matthias Wilson, says he's eagerly anticipating the opportunity to showcase his skills.
Well, preparation-wise, I'm ensuring that I'm going to training efficiently, ensuring that I'm doing those efficient workouts, the efficient sparring matches with my teammates and stuff, and ensuring that I have my mind ready as well for the match.
The card's action will feature high school, collegiate, 3 amateur, and a highly anticipated main event featuring professional boxers. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.